we are going to be talking about text-to-self connections. So, we've talked a lot about using the text, our direct text evidence to support our answers. Now we're going to talk about how we can use direct text and connect it to ourselves. So, as we're reading, we're constantly making connections to ourselves. I'm going to challenge you to think about that a little bit more deeply and specific pieces of text evidence and how they can connect to ourselves. So, I'm going to show you an example and how I'm going to have you set this up. And it is from the ending of our reading last week. So if you flip in your Orphan of Ellis Island book to page 62, I'm pretty close to the bottom. And you see the part that says, "Run, run," Francesco cried. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that direct piece of evidence. So when we do, we have to give the author credit, and I'm going to say in the text, on page, I have to check my page again, 62, it says, and remember, we need to use quotation marks to show our reader, whoever reading it, that this is not our words, it's someone else's words. So those quotation marks are helping us to give credit to the author. So remember, it says run, run, and I'm actually going to just say run, run. And close the quotation marks. So that's a pretty simple piece of text. In the text on page 62, it says run, run. I can connect this to my life because when I was younger, I remember being chased outside when we were playing an intense game of Capture the Flag. So you're going to type this, but look at how I made a connection. I said in the text on page 62, it says run, run. I can connect this to my life because when I was younger, I remember being chased outside when we were playing an intense game of Capture the Flag. So it does not have to be exactly what happened in the text. You need to connect the text to yourself. So connect the text to your life. So what you're going to do, and I have this outlined also in your assignments, is you're going to read chapters 14 through 19. And for each chapter, what I want you to do is to follow this format. You're going to say in the text on page, da-da-da, it says, and then in quotation marks, I want you to put a piece of direct text evidence. So you need to include direct text evidence, and then directly after the direct text evidence, you're going to say, I can connect this to my life. So you are going to then include your self-connection. And you are going to do this for each chapter. Again, your assignment is outlined on your assignments page.